Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Akilah, also known as Kilahmazing, and today I'm coming at y'all with a video all about this braided wig from Annalise Hair and Wigs. So we're gonna go ahead and hop right on into it. So this is what the wig looks like. I did already cut off the lace because I did attempt to do this video before, but it wasn't really turning out how I wanted to, so we're gonna try this again. But this is what the inside of the wig looks like. It does have an elastic band as well as some combs. So I'm first gonna go ahead and take this airbrush leg spray by Sally Hansen, and I'm going to spray that onto the lace of the wig to conceal some of those knots. And then I'm gonna take a makeup brush to evenly distribute that. Next, I'm going to take my Got To Be freeze spray and I'm going to apply that right underneath my hairline, and then I'm just blow drying that until it's tacky so that we can make sure that this wig is super secure and super snug on my head. Now you can definitely feel free to do the bald cap method, but y'all know I'm a slap it on my head and go type of girl, so we're doing it just like this, baby girl. But anyways, next I'm going to go ahead and take a pair of tweezers and tweeze this hairline just to make it look a little bit more natural. So next I'm going to take my Got To Be styling gel. I'm going to go ahead and lay down my edges. Your girl is moving on up. I'm not using the toothbrush anymore. We actually have a edge brush. So look at us. We're doing big things in 2020, okay? So as I mentioned before, I did already go ahead and style this wig before, so the baby hairs are actually already cut, but it did come with a good amount of baby hairs that I just used some scissors to trim it to my liking. So once I was done, I went ahead and tied my hair up for about 15 minutes or so, and then from there I'm just going to take some foundation that matches my skin color and get into them parts to make that hairline look super natural. I want it to look super seamless. I want to be giving scalp, I want to be giving follicles. I want this to look as realistic as possible. So once I'm done with the install, I'm going to go ahead and style the braids. I love the fact that you can do a couple different styles with this. So right now I'm just taking a braid. I'm going to tie that right around to give me a really cute high pony. And just to give me a little pizzazz, a little razzle dazzle, I'm going to take some hair jewels as well as some gold string to spice it up. But this is the final look, y'all. I am super satisfied with how this turned out. Y'all know I love me some braids, but I don't love sitting in a braiding shop to get them. So I think that braided wigs are just a great alternative for those of you who want to avoid having to spend a lot of time and a lot of money getting your hair braided, when instead you can invest in one of these wigs and you can switch it up as you please. But yeah, y'all, this wig is super dope. I love the versatility of it. I even went ahead and threw it up into this cute little top knot look, which I definitely prefer over the ponytail. Also, this wig is currently only $120. So yeah, I'll definitely be sure to leave all the information down below for where you could purchase and all that good stuff in the comments down below. Definitely let me know what you all think. Would you rock a braided wig? Let me know. But anyways, thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you all in the next one.